Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire TV Cube with Alexa. Easy guide step by step clearly. To set up your Fire TV Cube with Alexa, start by unboxing your Fire TV Cube. Take out the cube, remote, power adapter, and HDMI cable. Connect the Fire TV Cube to your TV using the HDMI cable. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the Fire TV Cube. Then, connect the other end to an available HDMI port on your TV. Next, plug the power adapter into the Fire TV Cube. Insert the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where you connected the Fire TV Cube. You should see the Fire TV setup screen appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote. To do this, hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. Next, connect the Fire TV Cube to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Once connected, sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, the Fire TV Cube will download the latest updates. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once updates are complete, the device will restart automatically. Now, you can enable Alexa functionality. To do this, simply say, "Alexa, what can you do?" You can also customize Alexa settings in the Fire TV settings menu. Explore various options to enhance your viewing experience. Finally, you can start using Alexa to search for shows, control playback, and more. Enjoy your Fire TV Cube with Alexa integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.